So now see the output. So cool, right? Hello friends, this is Shudipto and welcome to my channel Kolkata YouTuber. And today I will teach you how to draw your own portrait without having any drawing knowledge. And believe me, it is a very easy trick and anyone, even children, can do it. And let's start. So you just need a laptop, a piece of white paper, and a pencil. And then don't think you will need the eraser because it is very simple and easy trick. And first time in any YouTube channel, someone is teaching you how to make your own portrait. So if you want to create someone's portrait and want to give them on their special occasion like birthday, marriage anniversary, or any friendship day, so it would be priceless. Okay, so you can see I just place the paper on the laptop screen, and below the paper the picture. So it is kind of watermark. I'm just doing it. And for children or someone, there would be a special note: don't press the pencil too hard so that it can affect your laptop screen. So you don't need to apply any pressure, because if you want to deep the drawing, okay, so that it would be more visible, you can do it later. Just by a small pressure, just copy the picture at first. Okay, and in the second part I will teach you how to add pencil shades, okay, so that you can make the picture more stylish. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more trickable, more knowledgeable videos, okay. And don't forget to share some with your friends, family, okay. And kindly comment so that I can understand what kind of video you want to watch in my YouTube channel, okay. Because I don't have any particular subject, because in today's world we need to learn lots of things, and there are lots of things are waiting for us, so we need to be more wiser and knowledgeable. So let's this YouTube channel so that you can have multiple knowledges from different topics, okay. And I know I love you all guys, all my subscriber, and who are right now watching this video, that you are doing great things in your life, and you are a great achiever who are who has their own goal. So if you have little time and you don't know how to paint or draw, so watch the video so that you can learn it easily. And friends, kindly subscribe, don't forget to do that, because I want to grow my channel, and without your bless, your little effort, I cannot make it. Because my only focus is not to make money from YouTube channel. I just want to share my knowledge. It might be helping someone, and that would be my great prize, okay. And your one effort, your less effort, uh, just create some good pictures, portrait, which you can use in your room. You can give to your friends, family. Even you could you can surprise your mom, okay, your brother, your sister, your love, okay. So that is very special. And believe me, you can see the total video time, and it will take less than that, because I have added something, right? So only 10 minutes. You just need your laptop, okay. And don't forget to try in your large screen mobile, okay. And you can choose any picture which could be your best one, and then you can create your own thing, own stuff every day, okay. Because to print out any picture, and you are creating by your own hand, that is more great things, and that would be a great gift for your lovable person, right? So watch the video and tell me, and don't forget to watch the second part of this video, okay? Because there you can see the picture more clearly. Basically, I put this picture from my Facebook profile, so you can do one thing. At first you can download, so that you can maintain the size of the picture. If you just want to draw the face of any person, then you can zoom, then place the paper and then do it. You can add some color if you want, but if you like pencil shades like me, then you can do that as well. In the next video I will show you how to use the pencil shades to make the picture more attractive than ever. The part which you cannot visible, which you cannot see more clearly, you can turn up the big page and you can copy it, you can draw. It's very simple. If I can do that, your Kolkata YouTuber friends can do that. You can easily do it, man. And you can use the best pencil like 2B, 4B, 6B. 6B is basically for pencil shade. Now see, this is the main picture, and just beside it, yeah, it's not it cool. Yeah, it looks great. Okay, so then you can do it. Kindly try it and kindly comment, okay, and share your experience. And there are lots of people, they want to create their own creative things, then follow it. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments. Bye.